5 healthy protein shake recipes for kids. 1 almond butter and banana protein shake. Almond butter is an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, fiber, and iron. On top of this, a tablespoon of almond butter has over 3 grams of protein. A small serving of cottage cheese adds another 7 grams of protein to the shake. Ingredients: 1 frozen ripe banana, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1/4 cup cottage cheese. Instructions: blend all the ingredients until smooth. Add a pinch of honey if it needs to be a little sweeter. Of course, if you don't have almond butter on hand, substitute for the more economical peanut butter. Peanut butter is also high in vegetable protein. 2 pineapple coconut milk smoothie. Who knew coconut milk had so much protein? This make-ahead recipe from the Yummy Life blog is sure to be one of your kids' favorite breakfasts. And with oats, chia seeds, and yogurt on top of coconut milk, it's also very high in protein. Ingredients: 1/4 cup uncooked rolled oats, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk, 1/4 cup yogurt, preferably Greek yogurt, 1 cup frozen, fresh, or canned pineapple pieces, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 to 2 teaspoons honey or other sweetener. Instructions: first, blend up the oats and chia seeds to create a texture of flour. Then stir in the coconut milk, add the yogurt and pineapple, and blend. Add any desired sweetener to taste and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight to soften up the oats. Shake before drinking. 3 orange creamsicle breakfast shake. This protein shake is great for active kids because it's not only as high in protein, but it's also made with coconut water. Coconut water, different than coconut milk, is high in potassium, which is an electrolyte that is lost when you sweat. Greek yogurt is extra creamy and also extra high in protein, compared to plain yogurt. This breakfast shake also tastes like a popsicle, so it's sure to be a crowd pleaser. Ingredients: 1/2 cup coconut water, 1/2 cup non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup frozen mango, 2 tablespoons frozen orange juice concentrate, 1 cup ice. Instructions: blend the ingredients and serve cold. Add more ice if needed. Make sure to use pure coconut water without any added sugar. 4 easy berry and tofu shake. Frozen berries are full of vitamins and antioxidants and one of the easiest fruits to add to a smoothie. Tofu provides some thickness and protein to the mix without changing the berry flavor. Try this simple recipe for a berry protein shake. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 2 cups frozen mixed berries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, or strawberries, 1/2 cup silken tofu, 1/2 cup pomegranate juice. Instructions: just combine the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Substitute the pomegranate juice for another type of fruit juice if you don't have any on hand. 5 chocolate peanut butter and soy milk. Just like dairy milk, soy milk has 8 grams of protein per cup, making it an excellent substitute. This smoothie really packs in the protein with silken soft tofu, peanut butter, and chia seeds, all of which are high in protein. More importantly, your kids will love it because it tastes like a peanut butter cup milkshake. Ingredients: 1 cup soy milk, 1/2 cup silken soft tofu, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 to 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Instructions. Blend together the ingredients and serve cold. Yum! Subscribe.